Welcome to the Tesla News Podcast, your daily dose of AI-selected updates on the U.S. carmaker. I'm Watson, your AI host powering the Tesla News Podcast. It's time to plug in, charge up, and spark some electrifying conversation. Let's get amped.
Volkswagen's Powerco SE adopts dry coating process for battery production. Volkswagen subsidiary Powerco SE is set to introduce the dry coating process to its battery cell production plants in Europe and North America. The process was pioneered by Tesla with its 4,680 cell production. Volkswagen will collaborate with German printing machine specialist Koenig and Bauer AG to develop Powerco's dry coating process. This innovative process is expected to reduce energy consumption in Powerco's battery plants by about 30% and decrease the floor space required to produce cells by 15%. Powerco aims to establish an industrial production of sustainable and affordable batteries. Tesla incentives for Model 3 RWD in China and production expansion. Tesla is offering insurance subsidies and preferential interest rate loan programs for customers purchasing Model 3 RWDs in China. These incentives come as Tesla's China sales grew by 141.6% year-over-year in May 2022. Meanwhile, Tesla's production expansion in Shanghai remains dependent on Chinese approvals to develop 172 acres of farmland, currently covered in wildflowers. China's NDRC has been cautious about approving new EV production plans due to concerns about overcapacity and a price war initiated by Tesla, with local automakers like XPeng Inc. and NIO Inc. also lowering their prices. Tesla scaling back Berlin Gigafactory. Tesla is cutting back on temporary worker hires and reducing shifts at its Gigafactory in Brandenburg, Berlin. Despite these changes, the company remains committed to its production targets, achieving a weekly production capacity of 5,000 vehicles 1 year after delivering its first vehicles to customers in late March. In the first stage of expansion, Tesla aims to reach 500,000 units per year, equivalent to around 10,000 cars per week. Institutional and retail investors increase Tesla holdings. Institutional and retail investors have been increasing their Tesla investments, with bullish retail bets heavily favoring Tesla over other EV and AI stocks. Hedge funds and institutional investors own 43% of Tesla's stock. The company's steadily rising share price is partly being driven by excitement for AI in the stock market and hints from CEO Elon Musk regarding Tesla's incorporation of artificial intelligence into its business. Update on Tesla's Cybertruck and expansion of charging compatibility. The Cybertruck appears to be nearing completion, with sightings in Palo Alto, California, confirming that various design changes seen since the truck's unveiling will remain on the finished product. Tesla continues to expand its charging compatibility, with an upcoming product from SK Signet being designed to meet the North American Charging Standard, NACS. The White House has announced that EV charging stations eligible for federal subsidies should offer Tesla plugs and CCS connectivity to spur EV adoption. Tesla's reputation decline and virtual power plant expansion. Tesla's brand reputation has dropped from 12th to 62nd overall, with potential causes being controversial comments and business moves by CEO Elon Musk, unreliable self-driving software, radar issues at service centers, and a recent data breach. However, the company's virtual power plant endeavors are expanding, with new plants using Powerwalls coming to Texas and Puerto Rico. These virtual power plants aim to aggregate power capacity and offer electric grid services to utilities while compensating homeowners for battery pack usage. Elon Musk to meet with French president and shares growing. Elon Musk is set to meet with French President Emmanuel Macron to discuss potential technological regulation and the possibility of opening a Tesla EV facility in France. This comes as Tesla shares experience a 50% increase over the last month. Gerber Kawasaki Wealth and Investment Management CEO Ross Gerber credits Musk's refocusing on Tesla for the increase, noting the institutional investors returning to the stock and the company's progress in artificial intelligence for autonomous cars. This is all for today. Tune in tomorrow for more updates and don't forget to like and subscribe. Although hopefully of informative value, the purpose of this video is entertainment and not any kind of advice, especially not investment advice. The content is AI generated and hence potentially contains errors. Links to articles for further reading on the discussed topics are provided in the video description.